Think someone might have blocked you on iMessage? You're not alone, and in this video, I'll walk you through the signs to look for so you can find out without wondering anymore. Be sure to watch till the end because I'll share a few tricks that go beyond just checking the chat bubbles. First, open your Messages app and tap on the conversation with the person you suspect has blocked you. Start by typing a message and look closely at the send icon. If it appears as a blue arrow and your message sends as a blue bubble, that's a good sign. You likely haven't been blocked. Now, if underneath the message it says delivered or even read, that confirms it. You're not blocked. But if you try to send a message and it doesn't say delivered, or worse, it sends as a green bubble, things get a little suspicious. Here's a way to test it. Try turning on airplane mode and send a message. If it behaves the same way, like showing not delivered or sending as a green bubble, there's a possibility you've been blocked. But keep in mind, that green bubble doesn't guarantee it. Their phone could be off, or they might have no signal. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss future tech tips like this. Another clue? Tap on their profile icon at the top of the chat. If they normally share their location with you and you suddenly can't see it anymore, that's another potential sign. You could also try calling them. If it goes straight to voicemail multiple times, that's one more clue. Though again, not 100% proof. The truth is, Apple doesn't send a notification when someone blocks you. But if your messages stay green, never say delivered, you can't see their location, and they never respond, there's a strong chance you've been blocked. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.